What is up guys, Standard this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini CLI with Cursor. So first, you need to make sure that you have installed the Cursor application. Uh, After installing, I have some commands to show you. I'll show them to you. Just simply open the Windows PowerShell from your Windows search. And after opening, the first command you need to give is the npm install space -g at google/gemini-cli to check if you have any Gemini CLI version installed. If it can't show, you can enter the another command, which is Gemini space dash version. This will show the version of your Gemini if you have any. But if you don't have any version, you need to log into your Gemini. So first you need to enter the Gemini login command. And after that, this will open a new page. Due to some network issues, it's not opening in my PC, but when you will write this command of Gemini login, it will open it. Now to log in, you need to generate an API key. So to generate an API key, we will head over to the Google AI Studio. And after heading over here at the right side, you will see the option to get API key. Click on that. And after that, on the right side, you will see the option to create API key. Click on this create API key. And after clicking on create API key, you need to search for the Google Cloud projects. I am selecting the Gemini API project and then I'll click on create API key in this existing project. And after that, this will generate a new API key. Just simply copy it from here and then paste it in your Windows PowerShell by just selecting login from API key. And after selecting, just simply paste that particular key to log in with your Gemini CLI. And after that, you can use Gemini CLI in your cursor. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.